Hi, I'm Svetlana Nayogi, and I will be recording my Dart Code Lab walkthrough. This is my Dart Code Lab IDE, which I built. As you can see in the IDE, I created a Flutter project. I added the FL chart and the connected DartStream WebSocket packages from the local repository of DartStream Open Source. The Flutter pub get command, when put in the terminal, will get all the required dependencies. Moving on to the pub spec YAML. Here I used local path dependencies so the app is directly connected to the DartStream open source packages. Next is the data service. I register the socket as a provider in the WebSocket Manager, connect to the endpoint, and listen for metric updates. Next, we move on to rendering the visit. As you can clearly see in the live chart that is displayed, the widget actually subscribes to various metric streams, receives updates in real time, and then pushes those updated points into the appropriate spots through the line charts. Now we are going to try and see the application running on the web server, so let's take a moment to observe it in action. It also displays the connection status and added fallback demo data in case no events arrive, so the chart remains demonstrable during testing. This app will start running on localhost and allow live events to arrive, displaying data points in real time. But if no backend data events arrive, demo mode ensures the chart's behavior can still be confirmed. It automatically switches to demo mode for demonstration purposes only, and then we can move to the local host. But since we currently do not have any real-time live data available for the system to process, the application will automatically fall back into a specialized demo mode. In this state, it will utilize the pre-configured no live events yet demo mode data to show you exactly how the interface functions when no active events are being recorded. It gives us the point-to-point behavior that completes the walkthrough. We now have a real-time chart pipeline using DartStream's WebSocket infrastructure. Thank you.